Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today we are in Popshelf and Easter is here as well as summer. Let's go shopping. So I am back in Popshelf, which is Dollar General's newest store, and we are going to be looking at all things summer, Easter, and party. Let's start out with Easter since that's the next thing around the corner, and they have so many cute pieces. So we are going to be looking at all the decor. We're going to be looking at some of the party things, crafts, and anything you need to fill your basket. The first thing I spotted was this gorgeous ceramic luminary. I love that color green. It's only $12 and it is quite large. Now they do have some decor on a few different aisles. We're going to go up and down. I'm just going to spotlight a few things. They have some ceramic butterflies, but these little Ray Dunn dupe bunny canisters for $3 thought were worth pointing out. They also have lots of beaded garland in an egg as well as a bunny. They also have lots of signs. I think this one in welcome is super cute. It reminds me of something I saw at Target. They also have these dimensional looking eggs for $5 with the ears, lots of green and lots of glass down here, as well as some little signs up on top that are turnable, so they're two-sided. They also have these really cute little houses that are eggs. I thought those were cute. They light up. Lots of ceramic pieces and some tins as well in blue and pink. And I did want to share these. They are candle holders for $10. They have the egg design down the center. Those are really cute. This is so adorable for $10. Definitely a dupe of something I've seen at Target. They also have some more signs for $5. I love that little pink one. They have this one in the polka dots with the bunny on it, and then this one in hip hop, as well as a very large canvas piece. Down below, they have some boxed spring decor, as well as more Ray Dunn dupes. And something that I think Popshelf did better than Target this year is their little egg tree. They also have this cute little bunny in his little carrot car and more Ray Dunn dupes. And I love this little egg planter in pink, as well as these potted hydrangeas in the blue pot. These are so cute and just $3. Now let's move on to what's in front, and I want to share a lot of the serving pieces. This is more of a butter boat than a butter dish for only $5. Lots of peach and bright pastels. Something that I really do like from Popshelf is a lot of their table settings. Their bowls, dishes, plates, and glasses, and they're really affordably priced. They do have some really nice large serving pieces, like this one with the floral for the little egg platter. Now this is $12. I think that is a really good price. They also have the berry containers in ceramic, and over here I found one of the largest egg platters I've ever seen for $14. Down below, lots of glass, bright colors, and yes, those are just like the ones we found in Target Dollar Spot last spring. They also have some bowls that are floral print and some little $1 egg cups, as well as some serving pieces. Down below, I found some large pitchers with the floral print on them, as well as this large pink cake platter for $10. I believe that pitcher was $7. Now, I did want to give you guys some options, or I should say Popshelf wanted to give you some options. If you're not into doing a whole lot of dishes on Easter, they have so many beautiful pieces in this section for entertaining and putting together your Easter table. Now the camera is not doing these justice. They are gorgeous pieces. They come in sets. They are placemats, runners, all disposable and truly beautiful. Now let's switch gears. I wanted to show you guys what you can expect to find to fill your Easter baskets at Popshelf. They have a ton of options. Now I just got home from Dollar General, and I will say that about 80% of the items I'm showing you here can also be found at Dollar General. So if you don't have a Popshelf in your area, never fear. You can find the same items at your local Dollar General, including these baskets for $8. Now they do have a ton of plushies for the little ones in your life, lots of fun fidget items, spa items, and a little egg sock set. I thought that was pretty cute. Now they do have some larger plushies, and this one stole my heart. I thought this little lamb was adorable, and you can't beat that price as well. Now while they offer tons of Easter baskets in the seasonal section, be sure to always check out their baskets because they're so reasonably priced here at Popshelf as well as Dollar General. They also have lots of little things for all the peeps in your life and tons of candy options. We are going to get to that in a second. They had a really cute little avocado sharpener and eraser set for $4. And over here, I wanted to show you guys they had some bath fizzies in egg shapes for $5. Down below, lots of name brand candy. So I was really encouraged by that. They also had some $5 Squishvilles and tons more over here, including these extra large eggs that are $5. They come in all sorts of bright colors and are a great option instead of a basket. Now they also offer lots of plastic egg options as well as smaller baskets for the littles. They also had these for just $1, so that's going to beat Dollar Tree. And then these, which are standing egg pieces that are about a medium size for just $1. They also have some character eggs that you can grow your own character and some traditional large Easter baskets down below. I think these in the pink and blue even rival that what you can find at Pottery Barn. Much higher end look with a much lower end affordable price. Now they also had a whole section over by the Decor I'm going to show you guys because they had a few things I've never seen before, like an Easter graham cracker cottage and this cookie coop, which I think you could probably DIY with some graham crackers. Thought that was a really cute idea. They also have some fun items for your baskets, including dino eggs, unicorns instead of bunnies, and a whole section of what looked like to be boutique style candy, things that looked really nice, and the packaging was just beautiful, including this taffy that I thought was just gorgeous. Now if you see a bandage on my hand, don't worry, I just had a little kitchen mishap and I am healing just fine. Now back to the candy, I just wanted to mention that they do have a few price points here that are better than that which you would find at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. A few of their larger Easter bunnies are around $1.15, of course not for the Godiva, and I didn't even see a price for those, but I did want to let you know that they have all of your favorites and then some, including these, which are a little bit more higher end boutique style covered chocolates and marshmallows boxed and ready to gift. Now a unicorn egg sounds like a lot of fun, but just give me a Cadbury egg and I am happy. What's your favorite Easter candy? Comment down below and let me know. Now I want to share a few craft items they're putting out for both spring as well as Easter. They have little flats of paper, paint, ribbon, and it is all so affordable. Now, a lot of these things you will find in Dollar General for the same price. A few of these things you will find at Dollar Tree, and things like this make a great addition to your Easter basket, especially if a little in your life happens to be crafty. They did have those clear peeps, which I think would be lots of fun to fill with jelly beans. When I was a kid, I remember being really frustrated by all my jelly beans falling through the grass in my basket and being covered in them. Now let's go ahead and switch gears, and I'm going to take you guys around the store to look at everything summer. Now they do have lots of decor and pillows and lanterns. We'll look at that stuff first and then more of the fun summer stuff for the pool in just a second. Now I did want to point out these lanterns because I have seen them at Target for much more. Here they are $10 and less. And I was really blown away by the fact that all of their solar items, like those solar stakes you find at Dollar Tree, are just $1 here, so you're going to get a better deal. Now they do have a whole section for gardening, so if you are a gardener, you may want to head in with a list because it is easy to get lost in here. They have fun gadgets, including this little growing kit and tools, decorative pieces and some fun hanging pots. Lots of options. They also have some signs for your front door. They had these right here, and then in another section I found even more options. They also have some really fun bird feeders and little campers and mushrooms. And over here they have some oversized pieces for patio decor, including lanterns and really large pillows. They also carry rugs here for your patio for $25. I thought these ceramic solar lanterns were beautiful, and those I believe were $12. Now, if you're looking for some oversized pillows for your patio, they definitely have a ton here, as well as entertaining items for the patio. They have this oversized two-tier server, which is a two-tier tray. They also have this one for $15 that I think is stunning. It is so pretty. I know Walmart has one very similar. They also have some rattan covered glass canisters, a large serving tray, and over here more spring decor, lots of little signs that you may want to group together. So many of these are great for spring and gardening and summer, but so many of these could be used in an office space or just a brightly colored area. I also spotted this, which I know goes for a lot more at other places. It's a little insect hotel. It's just to encourage things like ladybugs and so forth to procreate. So that's an $8 item. Now over here I spotted another Target dupe. I know Hearth and Hand used to make this same exact spoon rest in wood. Now they have one that is ceramic. Down here, I spotted something I thought was really pretty and well priced for $5. That'd be great on a shelf, and lots of wicker down below. Now they have tons of pots, and I am spotting some more Target dupes. Now these I thought were really nice for $10. I like the unique shapes on these, but I know that you've seen the faces on the pots at Target, and it looks like they're doing that here at Popshelf as well. Now these I thought were also really pretty. They do have sort of a Southwest vibe to them, which is sort of popular right now. They also have some potted plants. If you don't have a green thumb, you may just want to throw a faux piece of greenery into any of these pieces. Now this one didn't have a price tag, so I tried to convince them that I could take it home for free. I also really like some of their hanging pieces and larger greenery up on top. I also had some really nice larger baskets and things that would be great for storing anything in a living room because they're so pretty and decorative. Now let's switch gears again, and I'm going to show you guys all of the fun stuff that they have out for summer. They do have a ton of floaties and fun things out for any water activity from beach to pool. Now they did have some really funny noodles, a llama, a flamingo, lots of different oversized floats. They have a ton of options for entertaining the kids over spring break as well as summer break. They have some really fun floaties, including that pineapple, and some glitter options that's news to me. Now I am curious if the glitter will reflect and give you sort of a weird looking suntan. I'm not sure about that, but they do have lots of options for adults as well as kids, from beach balls to floaties, and I love that strawberry one. They also have pool floats down below, and if you are looking forward to lots of parties this summer, I wanted to mention their party section. Now, if you've been to Dollar General's party section, this will look familiar. Even some of these things that you will find at Dollar Tree, it's just that they have way more at places like Dollar General and Popshelf. They have something for everyone, from video games to dinosaurs to just traditional bright colors for birthdays and everything in between, from banners to balloons, backdrops. I love this little inflatable party cake. They also have solid colors in all of their napkins and plates, as well as printed options. I think that this one is absolutely adorable and on my list for a birthday down the road, and it's priced cheaper than Dollar Tree. They're only $1 here, as well as at Dollar General. Now they have lots of birthday sashes and all kinds of fun things for your birthday parties. I love that they put together a few different color streamers for making a backdrop, and I love that they grouped them together for just $2. They have lots of fun party candles, and this isn't the only section where I found party items. So this is a whole wall near their arts and crafts section, but I turned around and there were dishes. So I thought the party section was over, but I was wrong. All I had to do was turn to my left where they have an entire aisle dedicated to more party goods. Now this one had some oversized balloons that were great prices. They also had balloon arches. They had regular balloons as well as numbered, so you could do something for any age. They also have this little section that is, I think, more bridal and some more options on their end caps. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Popshelf and seeing what they have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.